In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the basic settings of your app. Once you create your app, this is going to show up, and on the left-hand side here, you're going to have a few menu items, options. The first menu option is basic settings. So you want to click on this, right? And this is the basic settings of your app. So the first thing we want to do is we want to edit the app name. The app name, we already have it here, but we can change it if we want to. So I'm just going to change it to Lang's Dance Academy. And I'm going to hit next. And then the next thing that I'm editing now is the domain name. So you can add a custom domain name, or you can just use a subdomain. So in this case, I'm just going to use the subdomain of Lang Dance Academy. So I'm going to hit next. And now I can upload my own app's logo. So I'm going to change this image. Now there are several things you can do. You can go to your library of images that you've already uploaded. So I've uploaded this in the past. Or you can search images. So thousands of images are available. So you can search dance here if you want to add an image. But because it's a logo, I'm going to create my own logo and upload my own logo. So you click on the upload image button here and click on upload image. Now I'm just going to go to my drive where the image is and then upload this image. And then you can have the option to crop it. So I'm going to crop it so that it is not too big. Like that. And then click on crop. And as you can see, it updates the preview here. Then I'm going to hit next. And then I can also have a splash screen. So I'm going to change the splash screen image to my logo image that I have. But it doesn't have to be the same. You could create your own splash screen logo if you want. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to go to library since I already uploaded the logo. And then I'm going to hit apply. So like that. I'm going to hit crop. And as you can see, now this is my splash screen. Okay, and then you can use a color. You can change the color of the splash screen to a different color. I'm going to make it white so that it blends in with my logo. I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to hit next. So when I hit next, it went to the pages components of my app, and that will be in a different video. So let's go back to the basic settings, because there's one more thing that I want to show you is the external scripts. So let's say you have a Facebook Pixel or a Google Analytics script that you want to enter. You can enter it here in the header script or in the footer script, depending upon where Google Analytics or Facebook Pixels tells you where to enter that. But if you don't have any analytics scripts, then you don't have to worry about this extra feature here. This is just an extra feature for those who are advanced and know what kind of extra scripts that they want to enter. And then finally, we have the pop-up settings here. If you click on this, we can have a pop-up that shows up when the app is on. So let's say I'm going to call this email sign up. Okay, I'm going to hit add new pop-up. And then this is kind of the preview of what the pop-up is. So I'll just email, I'm going to call this sign up to my newsletter. And then the subheading, you can put free dance classes for new customers. And then here I'll just say get access to free dance lessons by signing up. Okay, I'm going to add in an opt-in form. I can select an autoresponder, an email list. I'm going to call this newsletter. Okay, the label here, your name is fine, and change this to sign up. And then I can have a redirect URL if I wanted to, but I'll leave that. And then that's it. Now you have a sign up for your app.